Family tutorial for digital student app.
Hello, and welcome to the Digital Student App tutorial for families. In this tutorial, you'll get to know the app your child will be using to learn handwriting, as well as how to support their use of the app from home. Let's dive in. We'll take a look at how you will log into the digital app for the first time. There are two ways to access the app. Your child's teacher will let you know which one your class is using. If your school uses a platform like ClassLink, Clever, or Google SSO, students will log into that platform and click the Handwriting Without Tears digital student app icon to directly log into the app. If your school does not use a host platform, children will log in by going to hwt-student.lwtears.com. Your child's login credentials will be provided by the teacher. Here are the steps to log in for the first time. First, enter the teacher's PIN. After the initial login, your child will not need to enter it again. Your child's teacher will provide this PIN number to you. Next, if the teacher has more than one class, children will choose their class. Then they will choose their name. And finally, they will enter their secret code. Children will need their secret code each time they log in. It may be helpful to print or write it down in your child's learning space for easy access. Upon logging in for the first time, the app will request access to the device's microphone and camera. Be sure to allow access for full functionality of the app's features. After logging in, children will get a tutorial. Magic C Bunny shows them how to navigate and use the app. This walkthrough can be replayed at any time by clicking the Magic C Bunny on the home page. You see the Magic C Bunny on the bottom left of the home page. There are also three icons on this page: Assignments, My Tools, and Messages. In the tutorial, your child will learn that a red badge indicates they have a new assignment or message. To complete a lesson the teacher has assigned, children go to Assignments. Your child may be notified of assignments through a platform such as ClassLink or Google SSO. Otherwise, your child will need to check the app for new assignments. When beginning an assignment, children will read or listen to instructions the teacher has added. Following the instructions, children will automatically begin the activities assigned to them. Some examples of activities your child may be assigned to include listening to a letter story, or a song, or completing pages in the handwriting book, or building letters with digital wood pieces. Children complete activities in the order the teacher has assigned, and they cannot skip around. This ensures they receive instruction in a meaningful, developmentally appropriate sequence. Anytime children exit the app during an activity, they will be placed in the activity they were last working on upon re-entering the app. All activities have audio prompts from Magic C Bunny, so make sure they have their device's volume on and can hear the instructions. Your child can replay Magic C Bunny's instructions by clicking on him at any time during the activity. As children work through their assigned activities, they can track their progress with the green bar at the bottom of the screen. As part of their assigned activities, your child may be prompted to complete a page in their handwriting book. Because writing with a pencil and paper is so critical to developing proper handwriting habits, students do not complete pages from the student edition digitally. Instead, the app will walk your child through completing assigned pages, either in a physical handwriting book or on printed pages. Let's see what it looks like if your child is assigned to complete a page in their handwriting book. First, Magic C Bunny will tell children it's time to work in their handwriting books. Children are then asked whether or not they have a physical handwriting book at home. If they do, they are prompted to open their book and complete the assigned page. If children do not have a physical handwriting book, they are prompted to print the assigned handwriting page or pages. An adult may need to assist the child in printing the pages. If your child's device is not set up to print, you can save and then email and print the pages from a device that is. You can exit the app while your child works on the handwriting pages. When you return after completing the assigned pages, it will return your child to the same screen. Once children have completed the assigned page, either in their handwriting book or on a printed page, they will click the green arrow to turn in their work. There are two ways to turn in work assigned in the handwriting book, whether it was completed in a physical book or on a printed page. Children can either take a picture of their work or upload a file. If the child chooses to take a picture, the camera application will open and they can take a picture of their work and submit it within the app. This will work if the child is using a tablet or an iPad. If a child is using a desktop or laptop computer and is unable to take a picture from their device, they will need to take a picture with another device, like a cell phone. Then the picture can be emailed and saved to the device your child is using the app on. Next, your child will upload the file in the app. If your child has difficulty during an assignment, they can click on the icon of a raised hand to send you a message throughout the app. You may want to have your child click on the Magic C Bunny for instructions during an activity before sending the teacher a message. If your child needs to send a message for help with an activity, they have the option to either record or type their message to their teacher. After sending a message, your child will resume the activity they were working on. When the teacher responds, the messages icon on the home page will have a red badge to let your child know they have a new message. Your child will need to check the app to see if they have any new messages. When your child clicks on the new message, they will see the conversation thread. Then they will have the option to send a reply. We recommend encouraging your child to only use this feature if they are unable to complete an activity, even with the support of an adult at home. Once all activities within a lesson have been completed, your child will get a gold star. Stars are collected and tallied on the home page. Speaking of the home page, there's one more icon we need to check out, and it's the orange icon, My Tools. Your child can access all digital formation tools, which include letter and number formations, wood pieces, and wet dry try at any time by going to My Tools. Your child will be familiar with these activities from their assignments. This is a great way to get additional handwriting practice outside of their assignments from their teacher. For answers to frequently asked questions and more support for families using the Digital Student app, visit our website at www.lwtears.com/HWT/support. That's everything you need to know about the Digital Student app. Thank you for listening today.